Are you looking for a way to add captions into your TikTok videos so that they are more engaging? Well, in this video, I want to show you exactly how to do that with an app called CapCut, and it's really simple to do. I'm also going to give you some bonus tips at the end, so ensure that you stick around. Hi there, my name is Peris, and on this channel, I share with you practical tips and tools that you can use for digital marketing. So if you're into that kind of thing, then consider subscribing to the channel. So the first thing is that you have to have recorded and saved the video on your phone. The second thing is that you have to download and install CapCut into your phone. So once those two things are done, open CapCut on your phone and then click on where it says new project here. Then you can search for the video to which you want to add captions to. So you just tap on the video and then you're going to click on that circle there, then click on add. Then it's going to add the video. If there were more than one video, you would have clicked several and then do the same thing. Once it opens inside of CapCut, you can see the timeline down here. We're going to click on text, then click on auto captions. So up here you can see it says English. So if I was to tap on that, you can see the other languages in which you can generate captions in, and I'm just going to have it in English. And then we also have this animation place here, so you can select an animation right now or later. I'm just going to click on this one, then we are going to click on start so that it can generate the captions for us. So you can see it is creating auto captions. It's at 80%, 90%. So once it's complete, you can see the auto captions down here. They are the ones in brown. So if I was to click on them here and then have this line like on top of that, you can see there's a box that has appeared on our video here. So you can move this up and down where you want the captions to appear. You should also stay within the blue line, yeah, so that is where the safe space is. So if you put it outside of that safe space, then it's not going to look good. Just ensure it's within that safe space. So we could have it somewhere here. I could also make the box a little bit smaller, maybe like that. And then now we are going to edit the actual captions. So click on batch edit here. Now you can see the captions are here and you can edit them line by line. For example, I would want to edit this because I think that this is wrong. It says charity PT and we are talking about chat GPT here. So this is chat GPT, and then it continues, and you keep doing this until you're satisfied that what you have is what you'd want it to say. Now the next thing I want to show you how to do is to style the captions. So click on style here. So font is going to allow you to choose the language. Again, if you're at this point you want to change the language, and then we have different fonts here. Could go with something like Montserrat. Okay, so it's changed the text to Montserrat. In case you had your own font, maybe you've downloaded it from something like the font, then you would come here and click on add font, and I already have some that I have downloaded here. We have lemon milk and we also have the bold font. So if I was to click on this lemon milk and then I clicked on that checkbox, you can see that the text has changed to be that lemon milk there. Another thing is that you can change the color of the text. So I'll go to style here and then I could make it maybe that yellow, or come here and have something with yellow but it sort of has a background layer with it. So you have that one there. So you can choose the one that you like. I prefer this one there. Then you can also change the size of the font. So you could use this to make it smaller or bigger. Okay, so we can have it somewhere at maybe 12 there so that it's not very distracting. Okay, we also have effects here. So this is in case you want a different font and color. These ones are already pre-designed. So if we could go with this red one there, you can see that it has changed. This one has also changed, but I don't want any of that. So just click on none there so that it goes back to what it was. We also have animation here. We chose it at the very beginning of the video, but you can also choose it from here. So it is how the text is going to appear. So I'll click on that. You can see how it sort of comes in there. For this one, you can see it is one word at a time. For this one is several of them. We also have other different animations you can use here, and you can play around until you find something that you like. Once you're done, you're going to click on this check mark here so that it can apply the changes that you've made into the captions. So if I was to now play this, you'll see what it looks like. Now ChatGPT is unlike anything we have ever seen. Let me show you what I mean. Yeah, so you see it looks really nice. In case you wanted to make some more edits, just go back to batch edit and then you can make any corrections that you need to. Once you've done all that, now you can go into exporting the video. Just click on that export icon there. So it's exporting now. Okay, we're at 60%, 65, 69, 70. Now it's done. So you have several options for sharing now. So you could either click on done, that will share it inside your device, then you can share it as you want. And then we have an option for sharing directly to TikTok, and then we have other platforms here. So if you are to click on this share to TikTok, it will just open in the TikTok app here, and then now you can add in anything. And then once you're done, when you click on next and you want to post, you're going to see that the first hashtag we have here is hashtag CapCut there, since we've used CapCut to just share it onto the platform. Since you've hung around up to this point, I want to show you some bonus tips that are going to help your video perform much better on TikTok. So in terms of hashtags, you want to ensure that you include what the video is about and who the video is for, or the problem that the video is solving. You can see that we already have our first hashtag here. This one has come automatically because we used CapCut to push the video to TikTok. So you can add additional hashtags here. For example, I could add ChatGPT for this one because the video is about ChatGPT. Then we can add another hashtag here. So this one could be about who the video is intended for. So I could say that this one is for small business owners. Yeah, so we just click on small business owner there, and then we can target a more specific keyword. For example, this one is how to use ChatGPT. In terms of the cover, just click on this select cover there, and then you can choose a frame from inside your video onto which you want it to be the cover. So I'll go somewhere here and find a cool thing. Like here we can see that there's something interesting happening in that frame, so we could click on that, and then we can add a title here. Okay, then you click on done. So those are some small tips that you could do to help the video do much better. I hope this helps you out. Subscribe if you haven't. In the meantime, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.